Hey there, I got this product to review, so let's open it up. So as you guys can first tell, it comes in this great carrying bag that also cinches shut for easy carrying on the go with you. So inside, it comes with this compact hammer. Fits great, it got some finger grips here, so it's easy to carry, but it's not too big, so it's easy to manage and easy to hammer as you're going. On here as well, it's got a hook here so that your stakes in the ground you can easily pull out. So now inside it also comes with 8 stakes. They're very durable. It comes with a flat edge, so it's easy to go ahead and hammer these. And then when you stake these in the ground, it comes with a pre-hook here. And then to remove your stake, all you're gonna do is put it in the hook here and pull them out. So I've got this Christmas tree outside here, and due to the wind, it tends to move around a little bit. So I want to secure this to the ground easier. So I'm going to go ahead and use our stakes to hammer this in. This pole here that I staked in is not going anywhere. Now, in order to remove it, like I said, you're going to hook it here, and the stake pulls out easily. Now you can bring this anywhere. It's so compact. This would be a great option if you're going camping, if you've got house projects around the house, whatever your needs are for this hammer, it is perfect because it's on the go. Check it out.